Hello, I'm going to be answering WAEC 2019 Economics Objective Past Question 35. The motive of holding money to meet unforeseen events is termed A. Precautionary demand, B. Transaction demand, C. Liquidity demand, D. Speculative demand. So to pick out our answer, the best thing to do will be to define each of the terms given to us, and then we'll pick out the one that best matches the question. So for precautionary demand, it basically describes demand for financial assets, or in brackets money, to be held against an unforeseen event. Now, for transaction demand refers to money narrowly defined to include only its liquid forms, especially cash and checked account balances. Now for option C, which is liquidity demand, liquidity demand refers to the ease with which assets can be converted to cash. Then for speculative demand, it refers to the desire to have money for the purpose of investment. Now we see that for option A, which is precautionary demand, the definition we gave was that it refers to financial or demand for financial assets to be held against unforeseen events. And our question asks about the motive of holding money to meet unforeseen events. So that term is precautionary demand, which is option A. So option A is the correct answer. Please subscribe to this YouTube channel for more videos and for more past questions and answers. Thank you.